In this lesson, we'll go through 30 most important trigonometric formulas. Let us start the video. ABC is a right angle triangle with angle C equals angle ACB equals 90 degree. So we have angle C or angle ACB equals 90 degree. Angle B equals angle ABC equals theta. So we have angle B or angle ABC equals theta. In this case, AB is the hypotenuse. The side opposite to the right angle is called hypotenuse. So AB is the hypotenuse. BC is the adjacent side and AC is the opposite side. For this triangle, basic ratios for theta, we have formula number 1. Sin theta equals opposite by hypotenuse. AC is the opposite side and AB is the hypotenuse, so we have sin theta equals AC by AB. Again, cosec theta is reciprocal to sin theta, so we have sin theta equals 1 by cosec theta. Formula number 2, cos theta equals adjacent by hypotenuse. BC is the adjacent side, AB is the hypotenuse, so we have cos theta equals BC by AB. Sec theta is reciprocal to cos theta, so we have cos theta equals 1 by sec theta. Now formula number 3, tan theta equals opposite by adjacent. AC is the opposite, BC is the adjacent, so we have tan theta equals AC by BC. Again, cot theta is reciprocal to tan theta, so we have tan theta equals 1 by cot theta. Formula number 4, cot theta equals adjacent by opposite. BC is the adjacent, AC is the opposite, so we have cot theta equals BC by AC. Tan theta is reciprocal to cot theta. In this case, cot theta equals 1 by tan theta. Next we have cosec theta equals hypotenuse by opposite. AB is the hypotenuse, AC is the opposite, so we have cosec theta equals AB by AC. Again, sin theta is reciprocal to cosec theta, so cosec theta equals 1 by sin theta. Formula number 6, sec theta equals hypotenuse by adjacent. AB is the hypotenuse, BC is the adjacent, so we have sec theta equals AB by BC. Again, cos theta is reciprocal to sec theta, so sec theta equals 1 by cos theta. We can express tan theta by using sin theta and cos theta. We can write tan theta equals sin theta by cos theta. This is a very important relation. From this formula 7, we can get two other formulas, formula 8 and 9. We have cos theta equals sin theta by tan theta, and formula number 9, sin theta equals cos theta times tan theta. Now we'll see basic ratios for 90 degree minus theta. First we'll see the relation between sin theta and cos theta. Formula number 10, sin theta equals cos 90 degree minus theta. For example, if we have theta equals 20 degrees, so we can write sin 20 degree equals cos 90 degree minus 20 degree equals cos 70 degree. So using these rules, we can have sin 20 degree equals cos 70 degree. Similarly, cos 20 degree equals sin 90 degree minus 20 degree, or we get sin 70 degree. Similarly, cos 20 degree equals sin 70 degree. So formula number 11, sin 90 degree minus theta equals cos theta. Formula number 12, cos theta equals sin 90 degree minus theta. Formula 13, cos theta cos 90 minus theta equals sin theta. So this is the relation between sin theta and cos theta by using theta and 90 degree minus theta. Now we'll see relation between tan theta and cot theta in terms of theta and 90 degree minus theta. Formula number 14, tan theta equals cot 90 degree minus theta. Formula 15, tan 90 degree minus theta equals cot theta. Formula 16, cot theta equals tan 90 degree minus theta. Formula 17, cot 90 degree minus theta equals tan theta. So these are the relation between tan theta and cot theta in terms of theta and 90 degree minus theta. Now, relation between cosec theta and sec theta in terms of theta and 90 degree minus theta. We have formula number 18, cosec theta equals sec 90 degree minus theta. Formula 19, cosec 90 degree minus theta equals sec theta. Formula 20, sec theta equals cosec 90 degree minus theta. And formula 21, sec 90 degree minus theta equals cosec theta. Now we'll see a square of ratios, relation between sin square theta and cos square theta. Formula number 22, sin square theta plus cos square theta equals 1. From this formula 22, we can get two other formulas, formula 23 and formula 24. We can have formula 23, sin square theta equals 1 minus cos square theta, and formula 24, cos square theta equals 1 minus sin square theta. So these are the relation between sin square theta and cos square theta. Next, relation between sec square theta and tan square theta. Formula number 25, sec square theta minus tan square theta equals 1. From this formula 25, we can get two other formulas, 26 and 27. Formula 26, sec square theta equals 1 plus tan square theta, and formula 27, tan square theta equals sec square theta minus 1. So these are the relation between sec square theta and tan square theta. And lastly, relation between cosec square theta and cot square theta. Formula 28, cosec square theta minus cot square theta equals 1. From this formula 28, we can get two other formulas, formula 29 and formula 30. Formula 29, cosec square theta equals 1 plus cot square theta, and formula 30, cot square theta equals cosec square theta minus 1. These are the 30 most important trigonometric ratios and formulas. This is the end of this video. Thanks for watching the video.